All right, I just want to clarify something that wasn't in the notes and that I did not do a very good job of explaining when we were in class. And that's when we have negative, or not negative, but fractional x's. When we divided this out, you ended up with this that we needed to factor. We took out a common factor. And then this was a difference of squares, so we factored that further. And so you had this. The negative 2/3, that's what the x is. And to get the factor that goes with that, you're going to set it equal to 0. So I'm going to add 2/3 to both sides. I have x plus 2/3. That's my factor. So my factors are my 3. This thing with a fraction is a factor. I don't like it, but it is a factor. X plus 5, x minus 5. And you can leave it like that, or this 3 can get distributed through this first parentheses, which would give me 3x plus 2, and x plus 5, and x minus 5. But if we multiply that through to get rid of our denominator, we don't also have it out front. So it's either this one with the fraction and the coefficient, or I multiply the coefficient through one of the parentheses and I don't have it anymore. Okay, so that was one example. I'm going to do one more example. If I had x was 3/2, and I factored out to 2x squared plus 14x plus 20, I would factor 2 out of that, plus 7x plus 10. I can split the middle here, and I have x plus 2 and x plus 5. Most of you got that with the 2 out front. Okay, again, this fractional x, I have x equals 3/2. To get the factor, I do subtract it, and I have x minus 3/2 equals 0. And that's my factor. So I add that in, I've got 2. I've got the x minus 3/2, and the x plus 2, and the x plus 5. But I can multiply this 2 through to get rid of this fraction, and only multiply it through one parentheses. So I have 2x, and 2 times negative 3/2 is minus 3. But once you multiply it through, then I've got this factor instead of those two factors. And I would accept either one of those. So that's my little mini lesson. I'm sorry for messing you up, but hopefully that got you straightened out in under 3 minutes. I'll see you all soon.